everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today let's discuss about a very significant full moon on July 10th in Sagittarius Purvashada Nakshatra at 24 degrees. Venus, the lord of Purvashada, is strongly placed in its own sign Taurus, but it is 6th from this full moon. And we have Mercury, who is almost ready for retrograde, is 8th from this full moon. This can trigger some change and also our pending karma here. There can be conflict of interest, maybe initially because of our fixed or stubborn tendencies. But also we can have some diplomatic solutions with some sudden changes as Mercury gets retrograde around 18th of July. Interestingly, this Sagittarius full moon has combined aspect of Jupiter and stationary Saturn. See, Saturn is almost stationary before it gets retrograde around 13th of July. So this full moon can be a turning point for a definite purpose, some new direction with long-term vision. Expect greater responsibilities and permanence to any realization, to our any action or decision that we made during this time. And wait for some concrete results when Saturn will be direct in late November. We can have some hint of what we can expect out of this full moon around 28th of July with exalted moon in Taurus joining Uranus and the nakshatra lord, that is Venus in Taurus. To add to this, we also have Mars Ketu conjunction on 22nd of July. Secondly, though there is elemental balance in the chart during full moon with Saturn in water element, that is Pisces sign, and Venus in earth element, that is Taurus, we have fire and air elements are very active with moon, Mars and Ketu in fiery sign and Rahu, sun and Jupiter in air sign. It can be mentally and emotionally very charged time. As fire helps to purify, this full moon can help us to burn our old emotional burden. Even Purvashada encourages emotional cleansing and healing. As the symbol is fan, the winnowing basket that separates the grain from the husk, or in a symbolic term, truth and reality from the illusion that we carry. It promotes to identify what is real versus what is just ego or out of habit or fear within us. With Saturn's aspect on Venus, it now demands some realistic goals instead of any blind hope. This is the time to let those unwanted things blown away in the wind. Expect filtering with divine grace. Purvashada is also known as a undefeated star. But the victory it represents is win over our inner emotional chaos. With full moon in Purvashada, it is the time to rise above any confusion and act with some clarity and moral values. In a way, this full moon is culmination of our emotional or belief based cycles. Expect some truth, emotional clarity and closure, especially in the area of life where we are connected with love, wisdom, higher learning, growth in our life, all relationships, and our future goals with some new direction. A powerful time is for release, realization, and spiritual courage where we can align our emotions with our purpose of life. We can shed all the illusions and embrace the truth especially in love, emotions, and our self expression. What we acknowledge now may set the tone for the new moon in Cancer on 24th of July, which is in Pushya Nakshatra, another Saturn star. See, we have two important events in next 15 days which will have the flavor of this Purvashada full moon. That is Saturn's retrogression on 13th of July and Ketu in Purva Falguni on 18th of July. Both are closely connected to this full moon and adopting the qualities of Purvashada, and Venus is the most helpful thing while dealing with any problematic situation. The natural 3 and 9 axes are activated here, and this is the axis of knowledge, communication, travel, how we process our knowledge, basically what we have within us versus the fact, and clarifying our beliefs here. Let us see how this full moon will impact personally to each sign. Do check your Sagittarius and Gemini sign for the impact, and keep in mind that Venus is the lord of 6th and 11th house for Sagittarius ascendant. It is capable to give some rewarding results. Something will return which is due now for you. Good or otherwise will depend on our pending karma. But expect emotional clarity and use this time to speak your truth, release, and trust that something sensible is taking shape internally first and then outwardly. Start with Aries. For Aries, this is the time for expanding your mindset and seeking out new inspiration. You may feel a strong urge to break free from limiting patterns, exploring something meaningful, or finally speak your truth about something important that you felt since a long time. This is the time to let go of your rigid beliefs, as growth is waiting outside your comfort zone only. Consider writing, traveling, teaching, or learning something new. Taurus, expect a closure with some sudden changes in your finances, in your family, and any health related matters. You may feel intense, emotional, especially regarding your old attachments or some emotional burden that you are carrying. This is a powerful time to let go of any control. Trust the process and release what has been weighing your heart. This is the best time to transform, end something, release it, and change things that are not helping you anymore. Gemini, this full moon lights up your relationship and brings clarity over there. Something important about the partnership, past or present, may come into the light. It is the time to be honest, clear, and compassionate towards other. This is not the time to rush for making some major decisions, and it is rather best to have some heart-to-heart talk with someone close to you. Focus on some healthy boundaries and mutual understanding. Cancer, your daily life, your routine, and your work habits may feel due for a reset, for some major changes. It is a very good time to clear the clutter, simplify your schedule, and work on your health the most. This is the time to declutter your mind, reset your sleep or your diet, and start some healthy habits. Small changes now will ripple into some lasting improvements for your mental health. Leo, this full moon sparks a wave of creativity, joy, or a strong emotional insight around what makes you feel alive and seen. It may involve love, children, your stock market activities, or any creative project. This is the best time to express yourself, follow joy and not just obligations. paint, dance, write even, or say things you have been holding back. Virgo, there could be emotional revelation around your home, family, your career, or about your inner emotional security. You may feel confused between your roots and your current path that you have chosen, or between responsibilities and your comfort. What best you can do is to create a cozy space, reconnect with your family, or review what's been passed down that no longer belongs in your life. But in any case, ground yourself emotionally and professionally. Libra, this full moon highlights how you communicate and process information. You may travel or finally reach an emotional conclusion, and that is around a conversation or making a major decision in your life. But be careful of what and how you speak. Be kind and clear in everything. It is best to initiate something new around this time. Scorpio, this is the time to reflect on what truly matters to you when it comes to your family, finances. Take time to review your financial habits, your spending habits, your values, and your relationships. What you value, what you invest emotionally or financially, and where your self worth stands when it comes to family. This time demands some change in these areas and stop giving energy to things that has no value in your life. Sagittarius, this full moon falls directly into your sign, making it a deeply personal time, impacting your close relations, your partnerships. You may experience a wave of emotional clarity about who you are, what you want out of life, and what you are ready to leave behind. Reflect on your personality, what needs change in that, and the direction you want to take in life. Do something symbolic to honor your growth, like change your wardrobe, update your bar data, or just write down what's on your mind. Capricorn, this full moon pulls you inward. Your emotions may feel more intense, subtle, or confusing at times. You're closing a quiet chapter of your life and you may need some space to process it all before you step into the new zone, a fiery zone. This is the time to protect your energy and get some extra rest. Adopt discipline, healthy lifestyle, but avoid any conflict and release what you have outgrown in life. Aquarius, you may find yourself reflecting deeply on your place in the groups, within your friendships, or within bigger communities. Some connections may shift as your desire and goals are evolving. This is the best time to enhance your talents and reassess your circle, your connections, and your friends. This is not the time to be afraid to step away or speak up, but to express yourself creatively and fully. Pisces, big shifts may unfold around your work area, your public life, your family, or how others perceive you professionally and in your home. A dream or some responsibility could feel both heavy and exciting also. Use this time to align your outer efforts with your inner values. Do clarify your long term vision. If it's the time for a new direction, then don't be afraid to step forward and show up as your truest self. That was about the impact on all the ascendants. And to summarize, this Purvashada full moon is like the cleansing wave before a new tide comes in. Just like the winnowing basket, this full moon helps us to separate truth from the illusion that we carry. And it also separates ego from our soul. It challenges us to share our emotional baggage and yet blesses us with spiritual vision and energetic renewal with the grace of strong Venus, Jupiter, and stationary Saturn. So let this full moon be a moment to look back with wisdom, look within with truth, and look ahead with hope. Let emotional insights that we get out of this full moon rise, but process them with both action and objectivity. Do keep in mind that the path forward is not just blind optimism, but it is our empowered future vision. That was about this powerful Sagittarius full moon. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.